Hello to the beautiful people. So in this video I'm going to talk about how can I use the map function for the objects instead of the arrays in the JavaScript. But you have to remember there is no native way of the map function for the objects. So in this video we're going to learn to achieve this functionality of the map for the objects. So first of all I'm going to simply console log my object, run it, and then now I'm going to use object.keys, and inside the keys I will pass my object. Right, then I will use the map function here, write the key. I'm gonna use my object, pass the key here, element here, and I just want to multiply my every value with the 2, so I'm gonna write multiply here, okay, and that 2. That's it. I think we are good here. Now I'm gonna simply console log my object. So let's just run this. Okay, so now you can see here in the first object we have the value 1, 2 and the 3, and in the second object, after applying the map functionality with the help of this approach, we have multiplied our values by 2. So if I just want to multiply it with any other value, it can still work fine. You can see it here. Alright, so this is how it works. This is how we can achieve the map functionality for the object. And this is all for this video. If you really find this useful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and bye bye.